Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. To my viewers, my humble request is that we have launched our YouTube, educational YouTube. The company Fibocan is primarily into training and education and coaching. We have launched 16 modules of banking and finance, starting with banking. Then we go into capital markets, primary markets, secondary markets, liquidity process, then investment analysis, what is fundamental, in a very systematic, structural way. In fact, anybody who is doing 10 plus 2 or HSC, whatever you call, around 18 years of age can start seeing that, because it is going to lay them a very good foundation of basics of banking, finance, commerce, and other things. In fact, to all my viewers who are saying that, even from module 1 to 8, everybody can see, and people who are interested in derivatives and other things can see from technical analysis onwards. From module 8 onwards, we put technical analysis, then we put candlestick, module 10. From there on, we will you can see derivatives and other things, and lastly we end with income tax on derivatives. Up to now, at this point in time, we have uploaded till module 8, so you can subscribe. In fact, first there are 4 minute video which is an introduction about myself and the company. Second is introduction about the various modules. Then you can go into all the modules starting from module 1 to 8 we have uploaded. The remaining modules we will upload in the next 4-5 days. Okay. So yesterday, because we were busy with these things and I had some personal exigency, so I could not upload our regular videos. My sincere apologies for that. So as you know, Fibocan is into the training and wealth enablement, which is why I said about that video. I would request all my current subscribers to subscribe there and give your continuous support over there. See my videos, it will be great. Okay, so today is February 28, 2022, Tuesday. As you always know, we are into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring. And every video we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when, and how it will happen. Which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon. So the educational video website, the handle is @Fibocan. Basically, YouTube @Fibocan, if you put, you will get it, you can subscribe. So now let's go into today. Bank Nifty closed flat 4269.10. Nifty remained 0.5% down, 17,304. So what has happened? So today is month end. If you recollect, we have been telling about how the month is going to close. So Nifty managed to close above the Bollinger middle band in the monthly chart, which itself is a good sign. This is the third month in succession, Bank Nifty and many of the Bank Nifty and Nifty components forming a red candle and closing. In fact, I would request my viewers to humbly not follow amateurs. There are many amateurs roaming in the market, roaming in YouTube, and giving their comments in Twitter saying that after 3 red candles, the 4th will be a green candle. There is no written rules. This is not mathematics. No, it is actually demand and supply based on perception. Hence, I am not saying that it will in March it will not go up. All I am saying is that there is no such written rules that after 3 red candles, the 4th has to be a green candle. They say that historically it has never happened. See, it doesn't matter whether it is history or geography. It is all technical. It is all perception. The mood of the market. The global market mood is not good, which you would have recollected. We have put our global market video also. In fact, today we are expecting it to close around the levels we said. In fact, if you recollect, we said global markets will close below the last month's close. That is what is going to happen tonight when the US markets close. Anyway, that's a separate story. We will put it separately with that structure. So yesterday it formed a solid green candle, particularly Bank Nifty, because it was duly supported by ICICI Bank. Axis Bank also provided some support. There were others. It was primarily a short covering rally that led to some up move yesterday. Today, Bank Nifty formed a doji. Doji means opening and closing are more or less at the same level, but still it is below all the key levels. Barring ICICI Bank, all other banks are looking weak. In fact, Axis Bank yesterday was looking good. Today, it fell below the key levels, and HDFC Bank is looking weak, terrible in monthly charts. Hence, no, please, my humble request to viewers is that please be exercise caution. there is always a tomorrow to enter all these stocks. If you're a small investor, if you doesn't bother buy and sell, you can buy at any level, any rate, any day. You need not worry about anything. But if you are a trader or someone who is looking for right entry and exit opportunity, there is always a time. Please wait. So market is overall, even today, it exhibited weakness. That is what overall the structure of the market is. So Nifty managed to stay above the Bollinger lower band today also, but it is well below the 200-day moving average, decisively below. The last 2 days it is below that. That means there is a strong weakness in Nifty components. Why it is like that? If you see Infy and HCL IT stocks, we said that next month it will go down, and in this month whatever happens, it will not close below the previous month's low, which is what we said. Why? Because it opened a gap up and went up. So there is a weakness in IT stocks, HCL, Techem, barring Techem, TCS, Infy, everything is showing weakness. Reliance is weak. All the banking components are looking weak, barring ICICI, which is showing some strength today and yesterday. And you have HDFC, which is also weak. With this kind of structure, I don't see any big up move coming in the month of March. And probably, yes, you can expect a sideways movement. If that happens and forms a real sideways, there is a chance that in the month of April or May, there can be once again a significant fall. Hence, no, 2023 is not going to be a great year for investing. In fact, if you are surplus money, you can put in fixed deposits and enter at an appropriate time. Anyway, let's analyze the individual components. On the banking components, AU, Axis and SBI fell 1%, while Bandhan IDFC up by 1%, Yes Bank jumped up by 6%. So others remained flat, Federal, HDFC, ICICI, everything. On the finance front, Bajaj Finance, Chola Finance fell 1%, Bajaj Finserv fell 2%, Muthoot, L&T Housing Finance and HDFC Finance, HDFC 1% up. On the insurance, SBI Life fell 1%, LIC up by 2%, ICICI Pru and ICICI Pru 1% up. Oil, both Bharti and Reliance fell, oil and telecom. Bharti fell 1% while Reliance fell 2%. That's why you are seeing significant weakness in Nifty. On the IT components, Wipro, Techem, LTIM, Infy and Birlasoft fell 1%. LTTS up by 1%. Apple was up by 5%. In the consumer goods, Trent, Titan, PVR, ITC down 1%. DMart down 2%. Pidilite, Colpal up by Bata up by 1%. Britannia up by 2%. Asian Paints up by 3%, Berger up by 4%. If you recollect, day for yesterday, what did we say? Paint stocks, Asian Paints and Berger looking good. Precisely that is what had happened. In fact, we had expected it to go up in the month of March. So, but today itself it has gone up. But notwithstanding that, you can, if you are a long-term investor, you can always look upon good quality stocks with a long-term horizon, right? On the automobiles, Hero Motors, Eicher, Bharat Forge fell 1%. M&M, Tata Motors, Motherson up by 1%, Ashok Leyland up by 3%, Escorts up by 4%. So on the metals, Coal India, Jindal Steel, NMDC fell 1%, Tata Steel, JSW 3% down, 2% down, Hindalco 3% down, Vedanta 6% down. That's it. As far as metals is concerned, if you recollect, we have been telling that February, March, metals will be a bad month for metals, because technically we were saying, and also almost all the metal stocks formed solid red candle in the monthly chart, which is very negative. Hence, now you can expect some sideways candle next month, or even a continuation pattern can happen. Hence, stay away from metals, definitely. Please do not venture into metals now at this stage. Particularly Jindal Steel and all has run too much. The high of 622.85 or something it touched in this month of February. That is going to be the high for the coming days. Hence, no, please stay away from that. Health and Pharma, Apollo, Divi's, Sun Pharma fell 1%. Dr. Reddy fell 2%. Cipla fell by 4%. Lalpath up by 4%. In the others category, UPL down 2%. APL Apollo 4% down. Adani Enterprise 14% down. Yesterday fell significantly. Today, Adani Ports, Adani Enterprise 16%, Adani Ports 5%, Polycab 3% down, Delta Corp also 3% down, Havells India Mart 2% down, Ultratech, MCX, Indigo, IEX and Godrej 1% down. So Adani, I mean, I will not repeat going forward. I am not going to comment upon Adani. I don't know about the stocks, but technically it is weak. Till there is some serenity, calmness that is there, please stay away from all these stocks, because ESG, environment, social and governance, so it's taking hit on that front. That's why you are seeing such a massive selling happening. Hence, stay away. Things will settle down. Ashwath Damodaran, the valuation guru, has also given his comments. So things will settle down. Then later on, you can enter if it is a good stock. Okay. So technically, if it is looking up, we will always give our comments here. With all these things, what is the range for option expiry on Thursday? That is March 2nd. Bank Nifty on the upward side, we have slightly lowered the levels that we had given day for yesterday. 100-day moving average will act as a resistance. What is 100-day moving average? 41,825. On the support, 38,417.75, which is the Fibonacci 161.8. So that will act as a very strong support, 38,417. On the Nifty, the upward side, the resistance is 18,003. That is again the 100-day moving average. And the support is going to be at 17,111.73, which is the Fibonacci 161.8. Normally Fibonacci 161.8 will hold. If that breaks, then it has chance of falling by another 200 points. So hence, with that view, you can play the market accordingly. Viewers, sorry, only one information I read wrongly, misread rather, I would say. Adani Enterprise 14% up, I said down. Adani Ports again 5% up, I said 5% down. Polycab, Delta Corp, all up by 3%, I said down by 3%. Please, this is a correction. Havels and India Mart up by 2%. In earlier I said down by 2%. Then Ultratech, MCX, Indigo, IEX and Godrej up by 1%. I wrongly said it as down by 1%. Please take note of it. Thank you very much.